How to avoid legal pitfalls in DIY divorce cases. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Many people try to handle their own divorce to save money, but DIY divorce can be tricky. While California provides self-help resources, even small mistakes can cause delays, rejections, or unintended legal consequences. If you're considering handling your own divorce, it's important to understand the common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not completing financial disclosures properly. In California, both spouses must exchange full and accurate financial disclosures before a divorce can be finalized. If these are incomplete or missing, the court may reject your judgment, forcing you to start over. Even worse, if assets aren't properly disclosed, your settlement could be challenged later, leading to additional legal trouble. Another issue is not understanding how to correctly finalize the divorce. Many people assume that once 6 months have passed, their divorce is automatically complete. That's not the case. You still need to submit a judgment package for court approval. If any part of the judgment is incorrect or missing required language, the court will reject it, sometimes multiple times, causing unnecessary delays and frustration. We've helped countless clients who started their divorce on their own but ran into problems. In one case, a client had filed all the initial paperwork but didn't realize they needed to serve their spouse correctly. They waited months thinking the process was moving forward, only to find out their case hadn't even officially started. We stepped in, corrected the issue, and got their divorce back on track. In another case, a couple thought they had properly divided their assets and submitted their agreement to the court. Unfortunately, they didn't include the required legal language for dividing retirement accounts. The court rejected their judgment, and they spent months trying to fix it. When they came to us, we quickly prepared the necessary paperwork and got their divorce finalized. At Divorce661, we help clients who started a DIY divorce, but need assistance getting it finished. Whether you've run into issues or just want to ensure everything is done correctly, we can help. Visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation, and let's make sure your divorce is completed properly, without costly mistakes.